What are you doing here?
Just passing by.
Why are you so late?
Got stuck in traffic.
Are you okay?
Not really.
What did you just say?
Nothing, forget it.
Do you even care?
Of course, I do.
Can I trust you?
Always.
Are you angry with me?
A little bit.
Where have you been?
Nowhere important.
Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't know how.
Are you serious?
More than ever.
What's going on?
I wish I knew.
Do you love me?
More than words.
Why are you ignoring me?
I just need space.
Are you hiding something?
Maybe.
Who told you that?
I heard it from someone.
Can we talk?
Now's not the time.
Did you miss me?
Every single day.
Are you sure about this?
100%.
What do you mean?
You know exactly what I mean.
Are you still upset?
A little.
Will you be there?
Always.
Can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
Did you do it?
No, I didn't.
Why are you quiet?
Just thinking.
Is something wrong?
Kind of.
What do you want from me?
Honesty.
Can you help me?
I'll try.
What's the problem?
It's complicated.
Do you hate me?
I never could.
Are we still friends?
Always.
Enjoyed the video? Drop a comment and hit that subscribe button. Let's keep learning together.